Hello everyone, this is Siham from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Dow Jones Index, the Nasdaq Index, and the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on Friday, 16th of July 2021. Let's begin with the Dow Jones Index, where in the previous videos we said that by rebounding upwards off of around level 34,200 and breaking upwards to level 34,780, it will support the continuity of the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame and the targeting of around level 35,060. After breaking upwards through level 34,780, the pair reached level 35,060, which is a horizontal resistance level in the 4-hour time frame, and then failed to break upwards through it, where it rebounded downwards to form a low around level 34,730, and then rebounded upwards again off of it to continue with the targeting of level 35,060, which by breaking upwards through it will support the continuity of the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator, then we can see that by rebounding upwards off of around level 40, it supports the continuity of the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the Dow Jones Index. Let's move on to the Nasdaq Index. In the daily time frame, the index is moving in an uptrend and has rebounded downwards off of around level 15,000, which resembles a horizontal resistance level in the daily time frame. But if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the index is still moving in an uptrend due to it starting to rebound upwards off of the upwards trend line after forming a hammer pattern as well as the bullish engulfing pattern, which supports the reversal of the downwards movement into an upwards movement and will therefore continue with the uptrend and the targeting of around level 14,895 and then around level 15,000 as primary targets in the uptrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by moving around level 40, it supports the continuity of the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the Nasdaq Index. Let's move on to the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. As we mentioned in the earlier video, the pair is moving in a sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame between around level 0.6920, which is the lower boundary of the sideways movement, and 0.1795, which is the upper boundary of the sideways movement. We said that by rebounding upwards off of around level 0.6920, the pair will be targeting the upper boundary, which is around level 0.1795. The pair rebounded upwards off level 0.6920 and formed a new peak around level 0.7040, which it then rebounded downwards off of. Then after forming a low around level 0.6975, it rebounded upwards, and by breaking upwards through level 0.7040, it will support the continuity of the sideways movement and the targeting of around level 0.7095. If we notice the RSI indicator, then we can see that by rebounding upwards off of around level 40, it supports the continuity of the sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the Dow Jones Index, the Nasdaq Index, as well as the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar for today. Market Equity wishes you successful trading and have a nice day.